In today's video, we are going to show you how to deposit money into your expert option account. We will cover the available payment methods, the deposit process, and some important tips before you fund your account. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to locate the finance section, which can be found in the left side area. But if this is your first time depositing money in your expert account, the deposit option will automatically be available. Expert option typically supports several deposit methods, including GCash, Maya, Maestro, MasterCard, online banks, GrabPay, virtual accounts, and cryptocurrencies. Now, this is dependent on your area or what is available in your country. In this case, I am going to use a MasterCard. So all I have to do now is enter the amount that you wanted to deposit. For example, this one. Please take note that expert option reports a minimum deposit of $10, which can be converted depending on your local currency. So if it's going to be $10, we are going to use that and click the pay $10. You will be forwarded to the payment processing window. For card payments, enter your card details and confirm the transactions. Now keep in mind, if you're using e-wallets or crypto, follow the instructions provided on the screen. Once the payment is successful, the funds are typically credited to your account. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you deposit money into Expert Option. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.